back to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get to see the all latest information as well as your favorite gadgets and sites where you can get your favorite gadgets in your pocketable rates. And today we have brought you with the Lenovo's IdeaPad series. Yes, today's series is very interesting, and this one is Lenovo's IdeaPad S10 out here. Yes, this is a version which is really great, and we can say this is one of the version which is quite amazing. Why we say amazing? Because if we talk about S10 out there, if we talk about S10 series out there or S series out there, then we can say that S series in Lenovo iPad, IdeaPad, if we talk, then it's really amazing. But S10 series has got really amazing gadgets out there, different colors out there. If you talk about colors, then you will find that there are really amazing colors. Today we are talking about the gadget which is really going to help us to know about Lenovo's inventions or evolution in the laptop series also. Talking about this variant, talking about S10 out here, we can say that it is based on the operating system which is Microsoft Windows XP Home Edition out here. Yes, this variant was Microsoft Windows XP Home Edition out here. Now, when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, what do we see in this? What are the versions we see in this? And you get to see that this variant is actually a notebook type. Why we say notebook type? It means like normal flip open kind of a version it is. So they have named this kind of series as a notebook type. If it is rotational, then it has been named something else. If it is fixed out, then it is a notebook type version. Now talking about this variant, now talking about S10 out here, we get to see that it has got a wide screen size. Yes, the screen size is quite good out here. And if we talk about the internal platforms, let us talk about the internal platforms first, then we will talk about the external platforms also. Talking about internal platforms, we can say it uses a good CPU system or the processing out here. Yes, the processor used out here is Intel Atom out here. Yes, Intel Atom out here with N270 out here. Apart from that, you also get to see that it is offering you 1.6 gigahertz processor out here. So 1.6 gigahertz processor could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that it has got a data bus speed of 533 mh out there. Yes, megahertz out there is 533 data bus speed out here. So when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant is quite good version out here. Apart from these things, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got a cache memory or the installed memory. If we talk about, then the installed size is 512 KB. Yes, 512 KB is the installed size, whereas the chip type used in it, every gadget uses a chip type out here. Processing के साथ साथ हम लोग ये भी use करते हैं. So you get to have mobile Intel out there. Yes, you get to have mobile Intel 945 GSE Express. So this is a different kind of a chip type we have seen in this variant, which is quite good out there, not bad, quite good we can say. It has a portable storage capacity with a memory speed RAM, or we can say that, and that the speed out here or the memory speed is of about 667 megahertz. Yes, like 667 megahertz memory speed is quite good. It's not bad out here, and you find that this kind of a version is really good. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version S10 out here, then we can say that this variant offers you memory specification complications also, as well as technology. Apart from that, the installed size which we have talked about earlier was cache memory installed size was 512 KB, whereas the RAM installed size is 512 MB out here. So there is a difference out there. Along with that, rated memory speed is which we have already talked about. That is the memory speed, which is 667 megahertz. That is the memory speed out here. But that was the RAM memory out there. But what is the maximum support size it can offer? Yes, what is the maximum support size it can offer? It offers you 1.5 GB to 2 GB's maximum support out here. So this is really good. And we can say that this is overall a good version to have this kind of a variant. Apart from that, if we talk about the technology used in it, then that is DDR2 SDR RAM. Yes, this kind of a RAM variant we have not seen in most of the versions. And if we talk about today's variants, then this is very difficult to see these kind of variants out there. But yes, earlier they were very good out. Now, when we talk about the environmental factors, because every gadget need to have an environmental certification also before release. And if we talk about the environmental factor, then it offers you EPA Energy Star also. Yes, it has got a EPA Energy Star, which is for the gadgets, which are actually for the ones we can say which do not harm or release much harmful radiations from it. So that kind of parameters are included in it. So let us talk about the size also. Let us talk about the size of this variant. Then we can say that it has got 10.2 in screen size, or if we talk in centimeters, then that is 25.9 centimeters. Along with that, you get to have a good resolution of SVGA resolution, or we can say WSVGA out there. So these kind of resolutions were back then very good. Now we definitely need a much better upgraded version. If we talk about the graphical processing system in this, then it has got an Intel GMA 950 out here. Yes, Intel GMA 950 is seen out here. Along with that, you get to see that it has got a dynamic video memory technology. Yes, if we talk about the memory location, how we can find out, then it has got a dynamic video memory locator technology 3 out here with a stereo type speakers and microphones inbuilt in it. Apart from that, yes, you get to have audio input, output, jack, power jack out there. There are jacks for USB also, for SD card reading out there. So there are things mentioned inbuilt, or we can say inbuilt ports are there. Apart from that, if we talk about the hard drive HDD capacity out there, then it has got a good HDD capacity of 80 GB, which is really not seen much out here. Yes, you do not see much kind of a variant which offer this kind of a version. But HDD capacity is about 80 GBs in this, whereas you get to have a good keyboard with multi-touch mouse control inbuilt in it. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say it has got a good Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Skype connectivity or microphone connectivity. Connectivities are quite good in this, but you will not find any drive optical technology. Yes, drive optical technology is not seen in this variant. Apart from that, we already know that it uses Atom N270 processing system with 1.6 gigahertz processing or clock speed out there. Apart from that, you get to see that the USB ports out there, or the ports inbuilt in it, they have for card reading purpose, for in building USB drives out there. So these kind of things could be seen out. Apart from that, you also get to see that you can stick your memory card, you can stick your memory card stroke pro out there. Multimedia cards could be installed in it. It has got a good battery life, offering you 3 cell lithium ion battery life out there. Apart from that, you get to see that the battery inbuilt in it offers you approximately 10 hours of working experience. Yes, you get to have a 10-hour working experience also. So overall, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering you a good version of workability, you can say, or you can say what it was a good version in the work process. Yes, work process is quite good out here. Now let us talk about the pricing also, and for that let us visit a site. This is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is justatclick.com. Yes, this is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is justatclick.com, where you get to have your favorite gadgets in your pocketable rates. And you can either type the full name of your gadget out here, or you can type the initials or the anything out there, so you can type accordingly. So this is the result we have searched. Lenovo's iPad S10. We have talked about the processing atom out there. So you get to see this kind of a version with a small description box inbuilt in it. Yes, you get to have a small description box. Apart from that, you get to see that there is a condition written that is refurbished. So let us talk about this condition also and check what is refurbished. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Yes, when we say refurbished, the word itself means that it is something brand new. Like yes, it clearly states that it means something brand new. Like whereas brand new is always a brand new that is absolutely new out here, which is for the very first time released out. So we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Whereas when we talk about the functionality, if we talk about structurality, whether they are similar or not, yes, they are also similar. They are actually same. We can say they are actually same out here. But definitely, there is a difference out here. Brand new products are actually untouched, or are we again say for the very first time released out in the market. Whereas refurbished, if we talk about the word refurbished, then they are actually pre-owned gadgets or any pre-owned device or anything which has been pre-owned. Refurbished means that which is once pre-owned. Every brand new product, uh, we cannot say that brand new products are always refurbished because sometimes it happens that they are not in the market out after a long period of time. But yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new. Yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new one. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, the pathway is also quite same, and we can say that refurbished is an extension of brand new. How we say that? We know every pathway is followed by a systematic way, that is base, mediator, and consumer. We know that. But in brand new, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products are like base is the company. Yes, when we talk about the base, it is the company out here. Whereas mediator is the marketplace or the place from where company and the user interact out. So that is the marketplace or the mediator or the bridge, we can say. Apart from that, if we talk about the consumers, then you can say that consumers are nothing else but the users. Yes, we the users are the consumers out here. So this is what brand new is all about. Now the user have a gadget and it is being owned by that person. Now that person is tired or want to resell it, then the gadget, that pre-owned gadget actually is resold in the marketplace and it becomes refurbished. So here the base is the user who has the gadget inbuilt in it, the gadget in hand out there. So that is the user out here. Now reselling is it also take place in the marketplace also. Yes, it is taking place in the marketplace. It can be online sites, offline sites out there. Everything could be said out. Now once the gadget is in the marketplace and now the new user takes it out, then it is known as a refurbished gadget. Now what are the similarities? Now, what are the similarities out there? Matlab, when we talk about refurbished gadgets and brand new products, what are the similarities out there? The similarities lies in the structurality and the functionality purpose. Now, structurality, if we talk about structure, then we can say the design is actually same. Yes, the design is quite same out here. Whereas if we talk about the functions, then we can say that the functionality is also same. The work it used to do when it was released out, it does the same work out there. So this is what actually happens out. Now let us talk about the, we can say, tests out there or the structural functionalities out there. Then we can say that there are few parameters. Yes, there are parameters which defines the test or the gadgets testimoniality. Now these gadgets testimoniality are determined by the same test which were determining the brand new products. When we talk brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products and the refurbished product have the same test, whether it includes the external or the internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say the external parameters are like the design it has, the screen size, the display it uses, scratches out there, buttons out there, points or the ports out there which have been inbuilt in it. They, as well as all the other specifications which externally we can see whether the mouse control is working properly or not, multi-touch if it is having, then how is it working, the control panels are working properly or not out there, the external functional keys are working or not. So this is what external features includes out. Now, once it has been checked, external functionality is checked, external design is checked out, everything is done. We come to the next procedure, next parameter, that is the internal parameters. Now, these internal parameters are nothing else but the internal components which have to be tested. Like you talk about the Intel processor or any kind of processor which is being inbuilt in it. Yes, it is not necessary that always every gadget will be having Intel processor only. So every processor which has been inbuilt in it, the operating system, if it uses any kind of operating system, then what kind of operating system it is using, is it working properly or not. Then after that, it comes out to be the another factor, that is the internal RAM, internal storage capacity, internal parts like connectivity is there or not, microphone is working or not out there. External ports we have talked about, so whether these ports are giving proper output or not. Like if you have a jack system, so whether the jack input and output is good or not, like audio input and output is good or not, camera quality is good or not, that has to also be checked out there. Whether the camera is working or not, that is the first main thing when it comes to camera. So internally, every component has to be checked, which we check like battery life, how long it is working out and how long it need to be charged. The battery is working properly or not, everything has to be checked. So this is all about the internal and external parameters which need to be checked out. And once we check these parameters, then we can say, and they have crossed all the parameters, it is assured that the product quality is good, as well as it is ready to have a good service out there. So overall, we can say there is a quality check out here. That product has been refurbished, that product is renewed. Why renewed? If any part is not working properly, then it has to be replaced with the original parts, not any duplicate or the unknown parts. It has to be checked out and see the original part has to be replacing that particular origin part out there. As well as these internal parameters are not just checked out through normal testing, there are specialized equipments to check them, so you can be assured when it comes to testimoniality. Now, apart from that, if we talk about these products, then we can say there are actually premium quality goods out there inbuilt in it. So these are the same parameters which check out the brand new products. So refurbished and brand new have the same design, same functionality, same test. So overall, we can say they are quite similar, except the fact that brand new gadgets are actually first release out there, whereas refurbished are pre-owned gadgets. Now, talking about the benefits of these products, so let us talk about the benefits of having a refurbished product. So when we talk about benefits, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rates. Yes, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rate. Now, when we talk about pocketable rates, what does this pocketable rate mean? It means that the refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets have come up with a rating which are not going to cost your pocket at all. Yes, the rates are going to be very cost effective. They are very effective out there. Whereas when we talk about the brand new products, they are slightly expensive. Yes, first time release are always expensive also, so you find that these are slightly expensive. But when we talk about the comparison, then yes, refurbished products are quite profitable, so you get to save also. That's this point two, and another benefit, that you get to save a good amount of savings. Now we can save a good amount of savings which we can use for next product out there. So this is the main reason why we say that refurbished products are really good. We already know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty out there, but when we take any, or we own any pre-owned gadget, mostly we don't get any warranty period out here. But if you have a category out there refurbished, then you get to have a savings of 6 months. Yes, you can have a warranty period of 6 months also. Apart from that, you also get to have 70 exchange policy. So these are the two additional benefits of this site also, as well as this product. When we talk about refurbished gadgets, refurbished category out here, then you get to have 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy also. So these are the benefits of having refurbished products over brand new. So let us talk about the website once again, so that we do not miss out anything. So this is the website we were talking about, and the website name was justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com. where you get to have your favorite laptops, PCs, your favorite gadgets at a very reasonable rates out there. As well as it offers you COD. Yes, it offers you COD, as well as this site offers you some amazing things that are like free home delivery. Yes, you get to have free home delivery, money back guarantee, as well as a support system. Yes, you get to have a support system also. So these are the additional benefits of this site. You can also check out the search icon where you get to see your favorite gadgets, or you also get to have all brand laptops out here, which offers you a great brand products out there. So you can check out the website. For best deals, do visit out the website. Link has been given in the description, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.